Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvwin Hair Company. Thank you so much, Luvwin Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. You guys, I am really obsessed with this wig. By the way, guys, this wig is glueless, and honey, I am obsessed with the highlight situation that is going on here. I feel like it's up. You know what I'm talking about? Like, this wig was made for me, and this is how you must feel whenever you buy a wig. All right, like I'm really obsessed. It fits my head perfectly, and guys, the curls, they are super soft. I am loving the bounciness of this wig. It is absolutely amazing. So without any further ado, guys, let's get straight into today's video. Luvwin Hair Company was kind enough to send me this gorgeous velvet storage bag, wig cap, hairband, lashes, 3-in-1 edge brush. It looks absolutely gorgeous, and a shower cap. Look at me wearing it. Wait for it. This shower cap is absolutely gorgeous. Look at me, I look so good. Now this is a wig and a half, baby. It moves easily when I shake it, and the highlights matches my skin tone so well. I love it so much, guys. It is 100% virgin human hair, and it is also a 13x4 lace frontal with 4 combs and an adjustable band. Look at that. And one thing that I love about it is that the lace is super nice, and it is absolutely soft. So this part of the video, guys, is self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch and enjoy this installation process. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at curly memes. Please do not forget to check the description box if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I'm super really excited. Guys, this wig is really beautiful. It is absolutely soft. I can't believe it. I look absolutely gorgeous without even cutting the lace. And one thing about it is that it is glueless, and I also love the fact that it is nice and tight on my head. So yeah, let's watch this installation process. Enjoy.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold yet warm when you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray. It's the last thing that I need. Wanna feel something that's real. With you I get that. You're like a lighthouse in a dream, really distant but your beam is guiding me home. So cold yet warm when you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig from Luvwin hair company. Until next time, bye guys.